Hi, I'm Ronnie from the Beadsmith, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Mighty Punch Kit. The kit was designed for heavy gauge sheet metal, 16 gauge and thinner, and can be used for cold connections and many other jewelry applications. This is the convenient carrying case. Remember, when opening it, the latches should be facing down, so this way when you do open it, everything is in its proper location. The kit includes written instructions, the punch, key, 7 different dies, and 7 different punches. With replacing the punches and the dies, you can punch in 7 different diameters. Inside the case, it's listed in millimeters as well as inches. The first thing you need to do is choose the proper die and pin when using the tool. If you don't use the proper pin and die, you'll either damage your jewelry piece or you won't get a clean punch. The first step is to make sure that you have the correct punch and die inserted inside the punch. Today I want to work with the 2.3 millimeter, which is also 3/32 of an inch. I have to remove whatever I currently have in here. I take the key and I turn counterclockwise. And then you can manually remove it with your hand. I'm putting it back into the labeled location, so this way next time I know I'm grabbing the correct one. Now, to remove the pin, you have to release the screw back here. Once you remove that screw, you then lift the handle and pull the lever back, and it'll release the pin. Now I'm taking my 3/32 of an inch die, inserting it clockwise. Make sure that the die is visible through the insertion. Now, to insert the pin, I'm going to lift the handle, take my 3/32 of an inch pin, insert it slightly, and then move the bar in so it latches onto the pin. You then need to replace the screw inside, tighten it as far as it'll go by hand, and then give it one little extra touch to make sure it stays secure. The punch comes with a depth gauge, which lets you consistently punch at the same point on your blank. I'm going to lift the handle, insert my blank, make sure it's resting securely against the depth gauge, and I'm going to punch down. When I lift, it'll release my blank, and you can see we have a nice clean punch, no burring, no marking. Now, I'm going to take advantage of that depth gauge by reinserting my blank, make sure it's nice and secure against the back, put my handle down, compress, lift, release, and you can see we get a nice, clean, consistent line from the punch. You can look for this and other Beadsmith tools and supplies at your local bead store or your online bead retailer.